Did you know that in the US, cash is often not the easiest way to pay a friend? If you're new to US banking, maybe you've just moved here, or you've recently opened your first bank account, you've likely heard the word Zelle. It's everywhere. When someone asks you to Venmo them or Zelle them, they're talking about the fastest way to send money, and in the US, Zelle is king for direct bank-to-bank transfers. But how do you, as a newcomer, actually start using it? Zelle isn't a separate app you download, which is a common misconception. It's a feature built right into your bank's mobile app or online banking platform. That's the key difference. Today, we're going to walk through the 2 simple steps to get set up with Zelle and start sending money instantly, so you can stop fumbling with cash and start transacting like a local. Step 1. Check eligibility and enrollment. The first thing you need is a US-based checking or savings account with a participating bank. The good news is over 2,200 financial institutions, from major banks like Chase and Bank of America to smaller credit unions, are part of the Zelle network. How do you enroll? Log into your bank's app, open your mobile banking app or log in online. Find the Zelle feature, look for a section labeled Send Money with Zelle, Pay and Transfer, or sometimes just the Zelle logo. It's usually in the main menu. Enroll your account. The system will prompt you to enroll. You will need to select an email address or your US mobile phone number to be your Zelle identifier. This identifier is crucial. It's what people will use to send you money. You'll receive a one-time verification code, likely a text message or email, to confirm it's you. Enter that code, accept the terms, and boom, you are officially enrolled. The money will be sent directly into the checking or savings account you linked. A quick pro tip, you must use a US mobile number. International, landline, or VoIP numbers generally won't work. Step 2. Sending and receiving money. Once enrolled, Zelle becomes incredibly easy to use. To send money, stay within your bank's app and navigate back to the Zelle section. Select Send. Add your recipient. You can search your phone's contacts or enter their email address or US mobile number. Enter the amount. Review the details carefully. Important safety note, Zelle transactions are immediate, like handing over cash. Once you hit send, you can't cancel it. Only send money to people you know and trust. To receive money. This is the easiest part. You don't have to do anything. Just give the sender the US mobile number or email address you enrolled with Zelle. If they are also enrolled, the money typically shows up in your bank account within minutes. You'll get a notification from your bank once it arrives. And that's it. No need to download extra apps, no need to link cards. Zelle is the seamless, integrated way to move money in minutes, making your financial life in the US much simpler. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.